September 13th, and we are finished with this Advent House assembly job. This is the final product. Lighting installed inside. I'll show you that in a second. Ignore this red piece right here. It's on a towel to protect it, so that piece is there just to keep it tilted back. But these are the images that will go inside each of the windows. We have them removed so that they are removable in case they get broken, but they look like this. I have just a few in here so you can see it. So there's just one of the large images in the large window. Open the next one. There's another one. And then there's another one there. The light inside, the LED system I've got inside is pretty bright. I'll show you that in a second. But each one of these windows opens accordingly. And of course, you will then put these are all the mediums. So they'll go on this medium window, not these middle ones, but these three on the outsides. The door has handles and opens as well and has this image on the inside. Whoa. Has this image on the inside. It includes these steps. Up here, the dormers open just like all the others. These don't have windows or images in them just yet, so you just see right through. The upper roof fencing is glued in place. It is not removable. The atrium is removable, as well as is this tower. It just lifts out and gets placed back in here. The whole atrium also lifts off so that you can, for storage and stuff. And I don't have it put back in the right place, but it goes back on top. Then, I'll show you this. The lights inside are LED controllable, so you can control their brightness. And I'm turning the brightness down. You can see them getting dimmer and dimmer. And of course, you can turn them back up. And because they are multicolor, if you wanted to, you could go with, say, a yellow, or a blue, or a green, or the red. That's a different take on a Christmas Advent calendar. Personally, I really like the white. So, this is the completed house. It is completed. We will ship it with the main structure, the front steps, all of these windows, the atrium and the tower will be included. There's also a back door, which is not currently on, so that we've got access back here. This is the inside, and you can see the three windows. These are the three big windows we looked at. And then this is where you'll put one of the medium window, etc. And then the upper dormer windows down here. This is where you can see the door. This is the plug-in for where you plug in, and this power cord is included. It plugs in right here. It is 5 volts. So this is the inside of the Advent House. So this is it. This is what we will be shipping. Let me know if you have any questions.